Because Logan, when I first met you and Janelle and I had an opportunity to talk, and shout out to Dr. Green, who's in this space, and I know she ran a panel. She was one of our keynotes back in February, and y'all loved her so much. We brought her back to run an equity, like a pilot, and she's working with some of you intimately in your schools. So you got the 8 million views on the YouTube. You have, like, you know, he's an author, an entrepreneur, and a sought-after speaker. He flew in this morning, y'all, from Nashville, Tennessee. So we just want to look at you, Logan, and just say, I used to do this with my students. This is my classroom stuff. You rock. Can we say it 3 times? You rock, you rock, you rock. And the reason I say that is because we can get hyped in the light of people and the likes and all the social media. And I was like, oh my goodness, like I'm getting ready to talk to like Y.B.Normal. And I had to like level set and say, but human to human, the connection is what really matters. I'm gonna read just a little bit, and I might bring in some you rocks, because I said, Logan, can I really share like the real? He's like, Lisa, you take it away. So Logan Taylor is the CEO behind Y.B.Normal. He's a living testament of power, resilience, determination, and compassion, despite a childhood filled, y'all, with adversity. Taylor's journey has been one of transformation and inspiration. He was born into a challenging environment. Both parents are absent, right? Raised by a grandmother. How many of us can relate when we look at our students or even our own personal story? From early age, he faced hardships that most couldn't even fathom. As all of the burdens he carried, if they weren't enough, he also endured sexual abuse, battled drug abuse, alcohol abuse, and survived a devastating car accident and experienced multiple suicide attempts. Additionally, he grappled with crippling depression and anxiety that threatened to overshadow, I would say, his purpose and every endeavor. Yet against all odds, he's here. So we're going to say, you rock, Logan, you rock. And rather than allowing these traumatic experiences to find you, Logan, rather than letting that be your testimony in your journey, I just want to say, like, it is an honor to have you here, because you harness that as a strength within those challenges, and you use it to help at-risk youth and educators across the country. And we are our educators, even if we're not pedagogue, because in the words of Dr. Rux, who was when I was a CSD at MS 53, we would say, everyone is a teacher. The question is, what are you teaching? Logan, without further ado, we bring you to the stage. Y.B.Normal, Logan Taylor.
I got an issue with that. Because if we collaborating, it's about we. It was never about me. I love what I do, right? I love the impact that I make. I love the value that I add, right? But I can't be with nobody, and I can't work with nobody that's like, yo, if my name ain't in the lights, bro, like it's about, well, what about my idea? Or what about what I'm doing? Oh, you didn't hear my idea. What? I can't go to the meeting because you won't listen to me. It's a we over me. So if we talking about these scholars, right? If we talking about these kids and how you all can make an impact in New York City and do these different things and collaborate with one another, then there needs to be a we and not a me. So we got to change our mindset. So what does that look like? It's a cost to it. Right? What is that cost? Is it your time? Is it your money? Right? Like what is that cost? There's a sacrifice that you got to make in order for you to make a change when you all are collaborating. Right? Like there's a sacrifice that I have to make when I go out here and I travel and speak all over the country. Like, don't get me wrong. I love what I do, but my sacrifice is that I don't get to go to my son's basketball game. The sacrifice is that I don't get to take my man to school like I used to. There's a cost to it. And what messes me up sometimes is that when people want to collaborate, they don't think about the cost of the sacrifice.